Tired of staring at a messy, chaotic desktop? Let me show you how to clean it up in seconds with a tool called Cowork. First, download and install Cowork. Once it's ready, just type, "Please help me organize my desktop," and let it do the rest. Cowork quickly scans all the files on your desktop and gives you 3 smart options. Full auto-organize, the fastest recommended choice. Review plan first, if you want more control before anything moves. Clean up junk, for a quick, light cleanup. In this example, let's go with full auto-organize. Now Cowork asks how you want everything structured. You can move all files into a projects folder, leave projects where they are, or group everything by file type. To keep things simple, I'll choose Move All to Projects folder, so everything ends up in one organized place. And just like that, Cowork automatically organizes all my files. Look at the difference, from a cluttered mess to a clean, organized desktop in just a few seconds. No more hunting for files, no more chaos, just a clear workspace that saves you time every single day. If you want your desktop to look like this, try Cowork today. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more productivity tips, and enjoy your new clean desktop.